So here now we are out in the bush again. It's been a while since it's dark on here, but we here with the crew. Hold on, look, camp there, base camp. We set up camp, nice. All our table food. We here with Emmanuel. It's dark, but he's there. You can see shining white pearls. Yeah. You know. Then we have Bush Monster over there. What happening? Yeah, and then we have Shay, aka Understory. Right, and then our camp here we have hammock, shelter, food, all our area food and food. Good food. Everything to survive the days. Yes. So we go and cook up something, eat something, and then see to explore. So after we eat and relax a bit, we're gonna see to head out and do some exploring in the night. Okay, mate. And then there. This is a common occurrence on this channel, a juvenile long-tailed matcha. For a diurnal snake, we often come across this species sleeping around in trees at night. I featured the species once before on the channel. This is a dwarf marsupial frog or Mount Tecuch tree frog. This species is amazing, well, uniquely amazing, if that's a way to put it. But after breeding, female dwarf marsupial frogs, well, they have a pouch on their back, which they place fertilized eggs in the pouch until they develop. When she has eggs in the pouch, she looks like she has warts or growths on her back. Doesn't look so nice, but it's amazing that such a small frog can do that. One of Trinidad's unique species. There. Okay. Yeah, right now hunting for animals. This here is a ringtail pike cichlet. It is sometimes referred to as Trinidad pike cichlet, but I believe it got that name because of confusion, misunderstanding. But yeah, this is one of two pike cichlid, I just say cichlet, found in Trinidad. While walking along the stream, we managed to see 4 ringtail pike cichlet, and on top of that, we even got to see the second species of pike cichlet, the Trinidad pike cichlet. It looks very similar, but there are subtle differences. Well, the Trinidad pike cichlet don't have a ring on its tail, as you can see, and both species of pike cichlet are very colorful. feature spot here. So you see him to turn back. Oh, a velvet worm just finished eat a centipede. Neat. We found this velvet worm finished eating this centipede. But for those of you that don't know, velvet worms hunt by releasing a sticky substance to subdue their prey. They would then crawl over their victim, and inject a venom into them that will break down the insides, and then the velvet worm will crawl over them and slurp them up like soup. Now this right here is one of my favorite fishes to come across. This is the cutlass fish or banded knifefish. It is closely related to the electric eel of South America, and in fact this species, the banded knifefish, does give off an electric pulse but is so low humans can't really feed it. It uses the electric pulse to locate food in the darkness because this fish is active mainly at night. You hardly see it moving around during the day, but at night they come out of the woodworks. They feed on other fish small enough to fit in their mouth and small insects. They are a predatory fish that lives in the waterways of Trinidad. They can also reach a length of around 24 inches, but sadly most people have not seen them that large. I myself have seen only one that was 24 inches long, and that was in a massive pond. But I enjoy seeing them always. Whenever I see them, I try my best to take some footage and take some pictures of them. They are one of my favorite fish to come across. Oh, and we saw these silver catfish. They was everywhere. That is a snail-eating snake. I think so. Yeah. A rattle-eating snail-eating snake. Amazing. This is the kind of thing you look for. Right. All the snake is here. We can't really interfere with it much because he's eating a Trinidad snail-eating snake. This is the ratonel or the Ophiophagy. Look at him chowing down. Right. Let me see the move. So that was it for the night. After this, we went back to base camp and called it a night. It was so amazing to see a ratonel actually doing what studies say they do, eat other snakes. And it was amazing. So, as you all know, I am the Wildlife Master. Don't forget to like, share, comment, follow, subscribe, whatever. And until next time, blessings and bless out.